Well, this is a sad day because my bro, he didn't die. I'm just kidding. He died. He's right here. Hello, little bro. He's taking his thing where he's snoring. He needed to take that so he don't snore.
Hey guys, I'm not dead.
Yeah, he's not dead. He eating some cereal. Slap. I can't slap him with the thing on.
I'm eating cereal in the bed.
You can smell the odor.
Okay.
Well, he's taking his medicine thing. Hope this stops
Quit
snoring.
making y'all stupid, dumb channels.
Yeah,
They suck
dude,
at everything.
I hate you.
I don't care. And Shiloh is
I'm
your
gonna
name,
turn off your
Shiloh.
thing.
Chelsea, do it if you want to. I'll where you going.
I'll slap you.
Protection.
Told you. But he's taking his medicine thing, and I'm just doing nothing here. I'm bored.
This is for my snoring because I sleep.
I'm gonna get on his phone.
I'm asleep. I'm in. I sleep loud.